a 1% BSA solution in a 50 ml solution. So 1% weight per volume typically means 1 gram per 100 ml of solution, 1 gram of the substance, in this case BSA, in 100 mils. But in this case, we want to make it up in 50 mils. So if 1 gram is equal to 100 mils, that means 50 mils is equal to, it's 50 equals to 100x, x equals 50 over 100. 0.5 grams of BSA. So to make up 1% of BSA in 50 mils, I would need to dissolve 0.5 grams of BSA in 50 mils of PBS. I would usually add the PBS first and then just put the BSA on top of the PBS. And then I would leave it until it dissolves. So this would usually take like 10 to 15 minutes ish. Just leave it on like the beaker stand, like that, like so. I don't immediately shake it up or vortex it, because like usually when I do that, the BSA would just foam and bubble over. But if you wait it instead until it's like dissolved first and then you vortex it, it wouldn't bubble up as much. So another example that I can do is how we can make a 5% BSA stock solution in 50 mils. So again, 1% is equal to 1 gram over 100 mils of the solution that we're dissolving the substance in. And in this case, we want to make 5%, and 5% means 5 grams over 100 mils. So but we want to make it up in 50 mils, a 50 ml solution. So that would mean I would need 2.5 grams of BSA in 50 mils.